All right. So we were talking about the tropic movement, right? So I was saying that if we talk about the movement of the root, so it is downwards. If we see it or compare it with the stimulus that is coming from the sun, so it is against the stimulus, right? So this kind of movement is negatively phototropism, right? Negatively phototropic movement. It is not in the direction. So this is what I mean by saying that when we talked about the nastic movements, so those were the movements that were totally not dependent, isn't it? But then we come here to tropic movements. Now they are dependent. Now they can be positively tropic or negatively tropic, meaning towards the stimulus also, away from the stimulus also. That is why they have two kinds of prop. Now, we also talked about gravity being one of the stimulus. So, if the gravity is a stimulus, then if we talk about the root, since the gravity acts downwards, and so does the movement of root is the downward position or the movement. So, we'd say that the roots are positively geotropic. But in terms of stem, they're against the movement of gravity. The stem goes upwards, the gravity comes downwards. So, this is what we call as negatively geotropic. Clear? So, yeah. So, the tropic movements can either be towards the stimulus, that is positive, or away from the stimulus, that is negative. Now, the phenomena wherein the tropic movement is shown is known as tropism, just like how it was nastic in the case of growth independent movement. Now, these are the various types of tropic movements that are found. The first one is phototropism. Now, each of these tropic movements are divided on the basis of the stimulus that has been provided to them. So, phototropism, the stimulus is light. Geotropism, the stimuli is gravity. Chemotropism, the stimulus is chemical. Hydrotropism, the stimulus is water. And lastly, there is thigmotropism, the stimulus is touch. Now we're going to see the variety of examples that come under this. The first example that comes under the phototropism is the bending of shoots towards the light. Shoot means stem. So when the stem or the shoot, it moves towards the direction of the light, we'd say it is positive phototropism. Or bending of roots away from the light or growing of roots away from the light is negative phototropism. Negative and positive phototropism is clear to you all. All right, now talking about geotropism. So we have discussed this also, that whenever the roots would grow downwards, we'll call it as positive geotropism. And whenever the roots would grow, the shoots will grow upwards, we'll say negative geotropism because it is against the provided stimulus. Then there is chemotropism. Now, chemotropism, the best example for it is the growth of pollen tube towards the ovules, meaning whenever the pollen tube germinates, it goes to the ovule part, and this whole entire process, it happens with the help of certain chemicals. So this is chemotropism. No positive, negative, because here the chemical acts on it and the process starts. Now we also discussed, I told you that if you would touch me not plant, and if you would plant a seed, which one would you see a faster development? So you people said that the touch me not plant will show the faster development or the faster movement. So we can say that the nastic movements or the growth independent movement of the plants, they are faster if you compare it with the growth related movement or the tropic movement. Now, the movement of sensitive plant to touch is very quick, whereas the movement of sunflower in a day or night is slower. Any doubts up until now, students? So, with this, we have basically completed the whole entire chapter. So, what is the last thing you people took down in your notes?
Tendrils are sensitive to touch. These movements are directional movement, positive, negative.
Okay, tendrils are, okay. Now, you people have to note down from here the tropic movements, right? Okay, you can switch off your videos and then write down comfortably.
The
Everyone's done? All of you are done, students?
Miss, 1 minute. Yes, Miss. Done.
Everyone's done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What about Abdul Kavi and Mariam?
Yes, Miss, I'm also done.
Done.
Done, students?
Yes, ma'am.
What about the others? Are you also done?
Yes.
All right. So, students, we have actually completed the whole entire chapter, that is control and coordination. Now, you people tell me, do you want, like, now, like, since this particular chapter is over, so from the next class, we'll start revising the life process chapter so that, your exams are like near. So we'll revise that so that your concepts get brushed up. So you people study that chapter and come before the next class, okay? Everyone will study that chapter. Now, as far as the control and coordination is concerned, um, do you people have any doubts in any topic? Is there anything you people want me to explain again? Just go through your notes. Take 2 minutes, go through your notes, and then tell me if you have any problem.
No, ma'am.
What about the others? Do you people have any doubts? Anything you want me to clear
No,
out?
ma'am.
All right. Okay. Very good, students. So, the homework and the assessment for this particular chapter will be sent. And as far as the next chapter, like from the next class, we'll do a proper revision. So, sort of, it will be like an oral test. So, you people prepare yourself. Okay. And if in that chapter, anything, any concept, any topic that you are lacking, we'll do it again. Okay.
Chapter?
Also, Zainab, did you like have you done the life processes with me?
No, ma'am.
You haven't, isn't it?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so I think that chapter classes will be conducted. And Mariam and Aisha, what about you? Have you
Yes,
people
ma'am.
done life processes with me?
Yes, miss.
Okay. So even for those who have done and for those who haven't, the class will be scheduled for that. So you people be prepared and we'll do it side by side. So it will be like a very big revision so that you people will get full marks in your tests, inshallah. Okay, guys?
Yes.
So yeah, so let's just keep it till here only for today's class.